Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today this is going to be a watch me work tutorial. I'm going to be doing some extra long cow print nails. Now a lot of the time I'm going to be out of the frame because I don't have the proper equipment yet to record my videos, and I wasn't really paying attention, so it's going to be out of frame. But you guys just work with me and the videos will get better. But here I'm just doing my application, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch and then I'll come back and explain at the next step. But I will say that I'm using a Pana brush. It's a size 16, and that is an acrylic color that I made myself. And you guys can follow me on Instagram at the_sweetestflower and check for all of my acrylic colors that I have coming out and the ones that I already have on shop_sweetestflower. And I will link everything down below, of course. Okay, again, I do apologize for being out of the frame, but here I'm taking a extra fine ceramic bits, and I'm just using that to seal the cuticle really well. I got this bit from Amazon. I believe this is a Pana bit as well. It was like $7 on Amazon, so I do recommend you guys going to get it. And it does seal the cuticle really well. And I use that to go over the top of the nail just a little bit, just to make sure that my application is smooth. And I also use it on the sides of the nail just to clean up the sides a little bit if needed. Now we're going into filing the nail. These are 80/80 grit nail files. I got them off Amazon I got them off Amazon, and I will link them below if you guys want. I'm just making sure that I file underneath the nail, because if any acrylic goes over the side, I don't want that to be up there. So I file that off, and then I file the sides of the nail, and then I file the tip of the nail to make it very straight. But again, these are 80/80 grit nail files, and I'll put them in the description. I don't remember what company they're from. And just a little disclosure, it looks like I'm filing rough. I'm not filing that rough. I sped the video up, so it looks like I'm filing very rough, but I'm really not doing it that rough. It's sped up.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal.
And here I'm just showing you guys what my shaping looks like at the end. I think I did pretty good. Period.
I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much. Yeah.
All right, now we're going to go into the design. Now I'm using the D&D gel polishes. This one is the white gel polish. I don't remember the name. I can put that in the description as well. But I'm just going to use a nail art brush, and I got my nail art brushes from Amazon. These are the Beetles nail art brushes. I'm going to use the long, really skinny one, and just make the line across, and then fill it in with the white. Eventually I use a different brush to fill it in, because you don't have to use this very skinny brush to fill it in, but just use that small brush to make a line across, and then fill it up with the white. And then you're going to continue to add your little cow spots as you see fit. And you don't have to do this perfect, because you know it's a cow print. It's not perfect, so just make it close as much to look like a real cow as you possibly can.
Slow
And I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. It's going to be a little bit out of frame, but you guys get the gist.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it
This gel
down.
polish, the name of it is Peach Fuzz. It's from D&D. And I'm also going to use a black gel polish. On the other hand, that one's called Black Licorice from D&D to make the little house tops. And I'm using another Beatles nail art brush. And I got those brushes from Amazon.
We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last.
I'm in the zone now, and I think I know why. Can tell from your eyes, this is not your first time. Another late night, vision with a blurred sight. You know what I like. I can't get you off my mind. I think of you all the time. I wanna get with you inside the lines. Just hit me up. All night, all night, all night. Fading out within the lights. And what I like is you and I inside all night.
spots were done, I cured it in my lamp for 2 minutes, and then I used my IBD Gel Top Coat, and I used my cuticle oil that you can purchase on my site, and I will link it below. Thanks for watching.